Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on this laptop. So first, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select to Windows Update, and here you'll have to click Check Updates if you don't have any updates prepared for you already. If you do, then click Update and Install. For additional updates, you can go to Advanced Options, select Optional Updates, and find the updates here, and you can hit the checkbox next to the ones that you need and click Download and Install. Basically, I recommend installing all the updates except for the Update Preview, because Update Preview is actually an optional update, and the rest of the updates you can find here usually are the driver updates for your device, which are also pretty useful for keeping your laptop up to date. Once the updates are installed, you'll be notified whether or not you'll be not notified in case you have to restart your PC. You'll be able to read it either right here, or you will get a notification in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you can either press restart now in this place, or just normally reboot your PC and the changes will be applied. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.